I'm making this video. I got this intake repair kit for the Mitsubishi Montero 3.8 liter 6G75 engine intake manifold repair kit from eBay, but it's from this company in Ukraine called Clifex.com. Basically, it's this little piece right here is the main reason I got it. But those go on the butterfly valve, I think. But that piece right there, the one that comes with your car, it leaks right there. There's like a gasket, I guess. So normally you have to you either got to replace the whole thing, or like the whole intake plenum, or you can get like an O-ring from somewhere. But a lot of people I saw online, when they take this off, it falls apart or breaks. So I went on and ordered this ahead of time, and I just wanted to make this video showing that I got it. And if there's anybody else out there looking to get one, I'll do an update when I actually take the time to put it on there. But it does look to be the right piece, so just sharing the information with other YouTube people, or other Montero people.